This video is intended to aid the trained service technician in repairing this particular Alto-Shaam oven. Do not attempt to repair this oven if you are not a trained service technician. Service technicians may obtain the proper training by contacting the Alto-Shaam technical service team. When repairing this oven, wear personal protective equipment and follow local codes and regulations. Contact the Alto-Shaam technical service team if you have any questions about how to safely and properly repair this appliance. The purpose of this video is to show how to remove and reinstall the door gasket on the AR-7T Rotisserie Oven, or replace with a new one. First, remove the old gasket. Clean out the gasket channel thoroughly of all grease and debris using a towel and isopropyl alcohol. If there is any glue or silicone holding the channel in place, remove it. Then, inspect the channel for any dents, cracks, or debris that would prevent the gasket from forming a tight seal. It must be clean and clear of all grease before the gasket is installed. If you're using the same gasket, clean it with warm, soapy water and alcohol to remove all traces of grease before reinstalling. If the gasket is greasy or too stretched out, it will not fit. Gently scrub any tough spots, but do not use steel pads, wire brushes, or scrapers. When installing a new gasket, remove it from the package. Inspect the gasket for any tears or rips that would cause it to leak once installed. Line up the gasket by checking the orientation of the gasket to the opening. If installing the same gasket, make sure it isn't too stretched to fit. Lightly spray the gasket with a food-safe lubricant. This will help you fit the gasket into place easier. Starting at the top left corner, insert the corner of the gasket into the channel and push it into place. Then, move to the top right corner, push the corner into the channel. Return to the middle, pushing the top of the gasket completely into the channel. Moving to the lower right corner, insert the gasket into the channel. Follow the same practice with the other sides. Repeat the steps for the last corner. Inspect the angle of the gasket at each corner for alignment to the oven cavity. Then, inspect the edge of the gasket against the cavity surface to ensure a proper seal, and adjust the gasket as necessary. Do not apply any glue or silicone to the gasket. Close the door a few times to make sure the latch is adjusted properly. You can adjust the latch using a Torx screwdriver. Finally, run a rinse cycle and check for any leaks. This completes the AR-7T door gasket cleaning and replacement process. For more service and how-to videos, please visit our website.